Look at that.
Wow. Just like he knows we're all getting a kick out of it. Ew. You're going to be on TV. That would have... We should have did a funniest home videos there.
Blaine, what are you doing?
You are a clown.
He's gonna start crying. He's gonna get so worked up. He's gonna start crying.
Just let
No, we don't
go.
cry. We don't cry. Are you trying to make noises too? And it ain't working? Sticks that bottom lip up in. And... Oh, maybe it's the air that's getting to you.
Yeah, methane.
Maybe it's Daddy's arse.